In the world of heavy machinery, one of the most critical yet often overlooked components is the fuel injection pump. For machines like excavators, reliability, precision, and performance hinge on this one piece. The focus today is on the fuel injection pump compatible with the Mitsubishi S6S Diesel Engine, model number 092000 to 53616, also referenced as 092000053616. This pump is designed specifically for excavator engines and serves as a replacement that ensures seamless operation, even under the harshest working conditions. A fuel injection pump has a singular purpose: to deliver diesel fuel into the engine's combustion chamber at exactly the right time and pressure. When this process is accurate, the engine performs efficiently and reliably. Any miscalculation or inconsistency can affect combustion, power output, and overall engine health. For heavy machinery, this is not just a technicality, it's the difference between smooth operation and costly downtime. This Mitsubishi-compatible pump is engineered to meet precise specifications, ensuring compatibility with the S6S engine. It's designed to replace the original part with exact alignment and functionality. Unlike generic alternatives, it offers a balance of performance, durability, and cost-effectiveness that matches or even exceeds original manufacturer standards. Every component is crafted to maintain the integrity of the fuel delivery system, which directly impacts engine efficiency. Durability is key when it comes to machinery parts. Excavators operate in environments that are far from forgiving. Extreme heat, heavy loads, dust, mud, and long working hours all put enormous stress on engines. A fuel pump that can't endure these conditions risks failure, leading to machine downtime and project delays. This pump is built with high-quality materials that resist wear, corrosion, and pressure fluctuations, ensuring it remains reliable throughout extended use. Installation is straightforward for anyone familiar with heavy equipment engines. Its direct-fit design reduces downtime and eliminates the need for modifications. Once installed, it restores accurate fuel delivery, which improves engine performance, stabilizes power output, and enhances fuel efficiency. Properly timed injection ensures smoother combustion, fewer emissions, and less stress on the engine components. The performance benefits extend beyond reliability. Accurate fuel delivery allows the engine to operate at optimal power, improving fuel efficiency and reducing unnecessary wear. This leads to more consistent operation during high-demand tasks and ensures that the machine maintains its productivity. A precise pump also reduces smoke and emissions, which is increasingly important for compliance with environmental regulations in construction and industrial sectors. Economically, this pump makes sense for operators and fleet managers. While lower-cost alternatives might seem attractive initially, they often result in compromised performance and higher maintenance costs. Engine inefficiencies, breakdowns, or reduced fuel efficiency can quickly surpass the initial savings of a cheaper part. Investing in a high-quality fuel injection pump protects machines and maximizes uptime, making it a smart long-term decision. One of the lesser-discussed advantages of a precise injection pump is improved fuel atomization. Atomization affects how diesel fuel mixes with air before combustion. Better atomization produces cleaner, more complete combustion, resulting in more power, less wasted fuel, and smoother engine operation. This pump is engineered to deliver that level of precision, which translates into performance benefits and extended engine life. For operators managing multiple machines, the impact of a reliable pump is multiplied. Every day a machine is down costs money, slows projects, and increases stress on teams. A dependable pump ensures engines start reliably, run efficiently, and maintain performance across a range of workloads. That reliability is critical for construction companies, fleet operators, and anyone relying on heavy machinery for daily operations. The Mitsubishi S6S engine is known for being a workhorse, but even the strongest engines need parts that support their performance. A mismatched or low-quality fuel injection pump can compromise the engine's reliability. Using a compatible pump ensures that the engine operates as intended, maintaining both performance and lifespan. Fuel injection pumps are the unsung heroes of diesel engines. They work silently but have a massive impact on engine performance. Poor fuel delivery can lead to hard starts, reduced power, higher fuel consumption, and excess emissions. Replacing an underperforming pump with a high-quality alternative restores efficiency and ensures machines run at peak performance. This pump is suitable not only for individual operators but also for businesses with fleets of heavy machinery. Maintaining reliable fuel injection across multiple machines keeps projects on schedule and minimizes costly downtime. Using a well-built pump reduces the likelihood of unpredictable engine behavior and prevents operational interruptions. The Mitsubishi S6S Diesel engine is widely used in excavators and other industrial applications. Ensuring access to reliable replacement parts is essential for keeping these engines operational.